This is a demo of the Twilio command I created with Ziki Shell. It shows you recent phone numbers you've used, and when you expand them, it shows you recent text messages you've sent. Then you can resend a text message, or type a new one and send it. Then type Control-Q to go back to your shell. So as you can see, it's a friendly command line tool that lets you send text messages and do other things with Twilio. Ziki Shell, or XSH, is all about making it easy to create commands like this. xsh.org is Ziki Shell's homepage. Let's do that again, but a little more slowly. In a standard shell console, type Twilio, then use the arrow keys to move around. As it shows you at the bottom of the screen, you can type Control-E to expand. Use the arrow keys again, and this time expanding with Control-E sends the text message. You can see at the bottom it says you can type Control-Q to quit and go back to the shell. Let's go down to the bottom and expand Setup. We can open the Twilio web interface to copy our credentials, and then expand Conf to paste them in our Ziki config. After you edit, typing Control-E to expand saves the config. Let's Control-Q back to the shell again. Since this Twilio command is an XSH command, you can always type XSH to go back to the current state. Let's type Control-E on setup to collapse it. Whenever you expand, you can type any string to filter down. I'll type DEP to filter down to only lines that contain it. Everything is freeform in Ziki Shell commands, so you can add notes anywhere, delete the parts you don't care about, and save different versions to text files, so you can open them later and rerun stuff. Also, you can type any of the items as command line arguments. Let's pass this phone number to the Twilio command, then quickly filter down and send a text. When we type Twilio on the command line, it's really just a wrapper around the Ziki Shell command. We can also call it directly, like this. You can type zikishell-all to browse all Ziki Shell commands and filter down. Here are a couple other cool examples, like controlling and configuring Heroku apps, controlling the web browser, browsing and editing databases, and making Bootstrap pages. The Kickstarter for XSH and its parent project Ziki is almost over. I really need your support to get it to pass. If you like flexible text interfaces that are easy to create, go to xsh.org and back the campaign right now.